As Kia technology continues to evolve, so does our driver assist technology. Let's take a look at Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, or FCA, available on select Kia models. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist uses a forward-facing camera and radar sensors to help detect and monitor the vehicle ahead and warn the driver if a collision is imminent. FCA will display a warning message on the instrument panel, an audible warning will sound, and if equipped, the steering wheel will actually vibrate. If necessary to help avoid or mitigate a collision, FCA will apply the brakes, and in an emergency, braking is assisted with strong braking power to attempt to prevent or mitigate a collision. On certain models, FCA is on by default. To set FCA with the vehicle on, press the Mode button on the steering wheel until the User Settings menu appears on the instrument cluster. On select Kia models, the settings will be in the audio head unit. Press and hold the Mode button on the steering wheel, and the vehicle settings will appear on the audio head unit screen. You can also access the settings directly from the head unit by pressing the Setup key, then the on-screen Vehicle button. Select Driver Assistance, then Forward Safety. If Active Assist is selected, Forward Collision Avoidance Assist will warn the driver with a warning message, an audible warning, steering wheel vibration, and provide braking assist depending on the level of collision risk. If Warning Only is selected, FCA will warn the driver with a warning message and an audible warning. With this setting, braking assist and the steering wheel vibration will not occur. If Off is selected, Forward Collision Avoidance Assist will turn off. The driver can also select the warning timing between normal and late. Here's how you change it. With the vehicle on, press the Setup key on the head unit, then the on-screen Vehicle button. Select Driver Assist, then select Warning Timing. Now you can select either Standard or Late. Be aware that even if Standard is selected and the vehicle in front suddenly stops, the initial warning activation may seem late. To adjust the warning volume from high to medium to low, select Warning Volume. Now you can select High, Medium, or Low. Be aware that if you change the warning volume for FCA, the warning volume for other driver assistance systems may change as well. Also, be aware that every time the vehicle is restarted, FCA will turn on by default. Leave it to Kia to enhance your driving experience by offering an intuitive feature like Forward Collision Avoidance Assist. Now remember, FCA does not operate in all situations and cannot avoid all collisions. For additional information on FCA, please refer to your owner's manual, the Kia Features and Functions Guide, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.